What is the best use of personalized mentorship, right? And how do you extract the maximum value out of that primarily for GDPI? Today, lot of coaching institutes, in fact, most of the coaching institutes are claiming that they offer personalized mentorship, right? But then what really is the true meaning of personalized mentorship? And then how do you extract the maximum value out of it? So personalized mentorship is typically measured by the mentor is to mentee ratio. Anything less than 1 is to 4 or 1 to or 1 is to 5 is considered as very good, right? Anywhere where you have unlimited access to the mentors is sort of considered very good. Now you can go back, ask those tough questions with your institute, whether what is the ratio, and then do the math accordingly, right? Now, how do you really extract the maximum value out of whatever coaching institute that you use for your GDPI preparation, right? What we do here at MyPrepZone, I'll tell you that pedagogy, and that is the standard one, right? So typically the first versions of your personal HR answers, the top 6 questions: why MBA, tell me something about yourself, strength, weakness, short-term, long-term goals, right? Your autobiography, last page of it, and a summary of work ex. I think these are around 9 to 10 top questions. Of course, there are a total of 72 unique questions, but these are the top questions. You have the first draft of yourself based on the 5 to 6 pager uh, write up that you've done for yourself, right? And based on that, you try to apply the force fit the frameworks and try to have answers backed up by the personal stories. That's the first version. Second is you use the some LLM to give a better structure, use better language, better vocabulary, rephrase the answers based on your own answers, right? It should not be adding any new noise. There should not be any hallucination, right? So you use certain AI based portal. For the Prepzone students, we have built our own AI based portal which is trained over last 8 years of data, so you can use that to further improve your questions, right? Then you essentially submit it to the mentor so that you can get the maximum out of their time and bandwidth also. And the best way to submit is have a Google document, give comment access to the mentor so that they can comment, ideate, write, edit, give you feedback on each and every line, right? You do it minimum 2 variations of these with your mentors. Maximum can be anything, but ideally into you are able to reach there, right? And have them approved your answers till the time it is done. Now, before you even go into all of this, right, the mentors should have a one-on-one Google Meet connect with you so that they already know your story, your background, so that they don't just rephrase your answers, but can also tell you, hey Shubham, this personal story of yours from class 10th makes more sense to me to be added in your YMB answers and not something that you've already written. So hence this is called as true mentorship, where mentors know each and everything about you, your family, your background, your upbringing and everything. He is like your best person to go to. Okay. If you have any questions, you need help with your GDPR preparation, you can comment or you can register for our GDPR personalized course updated on the website. All the very best.